Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color on the light for your Xbox Elite controller. So this is easy to do. So just on the home screen here, let's go to Settings, and then go on down to Devices and Connections. Go to the right and go to Controllers and Headsets. Now under this list, find your Elite controller, and then go to Configure. Now choose your currently used profile. So I can see Profile 1, Slot 1, and then let's go to Edit. Then tab on over using R1 and go to Color. Then you have the brightness slider on the top. You can completely turn it off by going to the left. And then we can go to 100% brightness by taking it to the right. And then here are the different presets. So we can go to white. And you're going to notice this change immediately on your controller. So when you're going through this, you're going to see it turn to red. So I typically use something that matches the color of my Control Freak thumbsticks. And it's kind of like a light blue or a pink. So I can choose that, and it kind of matches this color right here. So that's why I like this one. Then I can also go to custom, and I can change the hue, saturation, lightness. Also, I can go back to this screen here, and there's some recent ones that I've used. So if you want to switch back between them really quick, you can right there. Now, just make sure when you select the color that you are choosing the right profile and the right slot right here. If you have the wrong profile selected, it's not going to indicate your color. So you just have to make sure you're switching to the right profile that you're editing. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.